we're going to do the muffler for the exhaust system. So at the moment it's just a 3-inch stainless pipe from the turbo back to just before the diff. It's quite loud, it's quite noisy, so I'll give it a start up so you can hear it, and then we'll proceed on to make the muffler. Yes, it's a drift car. Yes, it's meant to be loud, but it's a bit too loud. It definitely needs to have that muffler on it to tone it down a tad. Now the muffler's been all welded up, so it's a 4-inch stainless pipe. Does have perforated tubing inside to create the muffler, and so now we're going to bolt it on from the diff to the end to complete the exhaust system, and let's see what it sounds like. So the muffler has been installed, and so let's hear what it sounds like.